Hi guys, today we are doing a tutorial on how to do the ESP32 cam to the ESP32 TFT display. So right off we are downloading the zip file from the GitHub and we are placing it on the desktop. Then we are going to extract it, and when it extracts we can delete the zip file and open the folder. Here we have a couple of files. Firstly, we will extract another file, libraries, and we will later delete it because we don't need them anymore. Open up library and cut the folders inside, and we'll go to the main directory of your Arduino files. So mine are in documents, and then we go to library and we'll paste them right off in here. Then when we do that, we return to the main folder and we are going to delete the library file because we don't need them anymore, and open the second Arduino file. Now when the Arduino loads, firstly here we have the connections to between the TFT LCD and the ESP32. You will connect those yourself, and then you will plug in the ESP just like on the video below. Then we are going to the COM section and selecting the COM which you plugged in the ESP to, and we are going to select the board ESP32, the one which is already selected. Then we click OK, and we need to make sure that the board manager for the ESP boards is on the latest version, or 3.3.0, and then we will upload it. So speeding up in here, just waiting it to upload, and when it's done it will upload it automatically. When that is done, we will change the baud rate as seen on the video, and then we will reset the ESP32 or unplug it and plug it back in, so we get the info we need on the serial monitor. We get the IP address and just copy that right off. You can also unplug the ESP32. We don't need it anymore for now. So copy the address, and then we can just close off this Arduino file. We're going to open the other one, which is for the ESP32 cam. Waiting it for load. When it loads, we will paste the address. No, firstly, we will take the camera and plug it in. It uses micro USB. I mean, mine does. So just plug it right in. Then we are going to select the board and COM. So we are doing AI Thinker ESP32 cam. Okay. We clear that. That's an old upload. So we go and you see the IP address there. They need to match. So you will paste your IP address that you copied in that field. You don't need to change anything else like SSID and password, because those are hotspots for the from the ESP32. And before we upload, we need to go into board manager again and find the ESP32 board from Espressif and downgrade the version. So we are downgrading to 1.0.4. because these files are from an old version and you can't upload them on the current one. And we downloaded the old version. Now we will upload the code. So compiling, and then it will upload. When that is done, we are ready to test it out. So just grab your things, plug in the ESP32 TFT firstly, and then plug in the ESP32 cam. And as you can see, it perfectly works, and it's showing the video in real life, and there is no delay. So yeah, the cables are only for power, they're not communicating in any way. The communication is Wi-Fi only from the hotspot from the ESP32. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I see you in another one.